Welcome back, guys. You know my name. My name is Adam. We are here in Atomic Garage headquarters, aka the Bomb Shop, and today marks the first episode of the Atomic Garage Unbox Therapy session. So let's hop on into this Harbor Freight circular saw review. So guys, before me we have a Harbor Freight circular saw, and I am doing a review on this, not much of a unboxing as it were. The part number for this circular saw that we're going to be talking about today is 63290. That's 63290. Now, I bought this circular saw a few weeks ago when I needed to install this OSB walls in this workshop that we are in. Now, I'm going to give you the good and the bad of this circular saw. So let's go ahead and kick things off right with what I actually like about this circular saw. This is a 12 amp, as the box says, 12 amp heavy duty circular saw, and included in it is the laser guided system, which actually doesn't work half bad. As you guys have seen from the few shots that I've taken, this actually is a pretty decent looking saw. I don't see really any problems with it. The grip could be a tad bit more grippier, but that's just really being nitpicky for the most part. So guys, a little bit about this circular saw. This is 120 volts, so this is just a regular plug-in circuit operated tool. It operates off of 12 amps, and the blade diameter is 7 1/4. Now, one important thing, guys, that you guys need to know, that when you go to Harbor Freight to buy this tool here, there is no blade included. So of course, be sure to pick up either a blade there or your favorite blade of your choosing. Now guys, average price for this tool here is $39.99, and if you use a 20% off coupon, you can make actually a pretty good savings. Now, this isn't the base model circular saw that they have, but of course this also is not the high-end circular saw. Now, one of the things that I mentioned before that this circular saw has is the laser guided system there. And actually, it is actually pretty true. Usually with a lot of Harbor Freight tools, as far as measurements are concerned, you want to go back and double check everything. And to my surprise, this one is actually pretty spot on for the most part, though yours may be a little bit different. Now, as I said earlier, guys, this takes a 7 1/4 inch circular saw blade, and it spins around 5,500 RPM. With everything that I have cut between 2x2s, 2x4s, I've cut, of course, this really thin OSB, but I have put this circular saw through its paces, and you can be rest assured that this has the guts, the bones, the balls as you were, to actually get whatever cutting you have done. I've also done some pressure treated wood to see how this chomps through it, and it actually chomps through it quite well as well. Things that I do not like about this circular saw though is that there is absolutely no release safety mechanism at all for this circular saw. So if you have this circular saw plugged into a wall, and if you are on the trigger, if you're not careful, or if someone else is not careful, they can automatically engage this without there being another button that you have to simultaneously press, like I've seen on many higher end circular saws. So of course, guys, we want to remember that safety is first when it comes to this circular saw. Now guys, a few things that kind of annoy me. One, of course, I already said, the no safety mechanism. That is a big deal, guys, no safety. But also the fact that this spring loaded tension right here, which it moves as you start making your cuts, it is extremely stiff, and I found myself putting a lot of pressure on what I was cutting just to try and get this all the way through. Now once this piece here is all the way retracted backwards and the full saw blade is exposed, I can cut through anything with butter. And maybe I'm just nitpicking, but guys, I want to let you know everything that I have found with this circular saw. Also, regarding the laser guided system, you want to make sure that you turn it off. Don't be like me, guys, and burn through batteries because you forget that it's on. This is not trigger operated or a trigger switch involved. You have a on and off switch right here that you need to remember to turn off, because I was about to forget it again. Last but not least, guys, included in the box was of course instruction manual and also another rod piece that you can use as a guide, as it were. I found it to be a tad bit flimsy and a tad bit annoying, quite honestly, so I just threw that to the side and I just went on cutting with it. Now overall, this is a very good saw, and for the price, it's really good as well. For someone like me that doesn't do quite a bit of woodwork or carpentry work, and this is just a tool that you're going to use to build, you know, 1, 2, or 3 workbenches, cut some wood sporadically throughout the year, and that's it. This does perfect for you. Just make sure you are paying attention to if it is plugged in, because of course there is no safety mechanism involved. So how would I grade this circular saw? Again, the part number for this is 63290. How would I grade this? And I would grade this as a solid B+. I would love to give it higher than a B+, given that this circular saw, compared to its competition, it's priced very good. And while it doesn't come with any accessories, but it comes with that laser guided system that does actually work pretty good, it sets it apart. The only thing, of course, that is stopping it from getting a grade is the simple fact that there is no safety precautions, and it's something that, guys, we really want to be sure we're taking care of. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of this Harbor Freight circular saw. If you like this saw, be sure to go out and buy this saw. I use it and I truly do love it, besides the few quirks that I have. And it's overall, again, a really good saw. If you guys have a saw that you guys use that may not be this one, in the comment section below, let me know what you guys use. If you're new, consider subscribing. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.